Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix installation ended prematurely because of an error in Windows 11 when trying to install a specific program or application here in your Windows. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the very first thing that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. And by that, you would be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to tap for services.msc. Once you have typed that, please proceed on OK and wait until a new window would be appearing here on your screen called Services. Now here, please select any of the service or system, type W in your keyboard, and there you would be redirected to the service or system starting with letter W, where here you need to look for Windows Installer. Okay. So please do a right click the moment you have selected it, go with properties, and in this window, you would be able to see a service status there where you can start the program. So click on start and wait until it will be done. And once you have started, click on OK. And you need to proceed at the left side of that where you can restart the service. So click on restart and wait until this would be done. Once you have restarted and start the service, please close this window and navigate to the next method. Our next method would be here at the bottom search bar. You need to type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, okay, you need to wait until a system called command prompt would appear. Where here you need to proceed on run as administrator to make any changes in the actions that we are going to perform onwards. So tap on it, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with that so that you'll be able to run this window as administrator. So here you need to type three command text, which I'll be including at the description box below. So the very first is msi exec space forward slash unregged. Okay, so type it here, Control V and click on enter. Once done, proceed by typing msi exec space forward slash regged server. Okay, please proceed and type it here. Click on enter, or you can paste it since you are going to copy it. I mean, you can copy it at the description box below. Okay, the third and last is reg svr32 space vb script dot dll. So control C and then control V to paste. And once you're done, it will show here DLL register server and vbscript.dll succeeded. Simply click on OK and close this window, and you need to restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to make any changes and in order to complete the process. So, restart your computer, and there you have that. Try to install again the program or application that you want to install here in your Windows. I'm sure it will be working this time. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.